Day 5 of my 12 Days of Christmas is actually not a Christmas tumbler, but it is a Christmas gift. And that's what I kind of wanted to highlight today, was more of the gift giving option. This one I made with flowers because I wanted her to be able to use it all year round. I also made this in the cream version, and it is just as glorious as the black. The settings are a little bit different, so make sure you go back to a previous video where I did a cream one if you want to do the cream version. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you do. You've seen me make a white one. Now it's time to make a black one. These make such fabulous gifts, and you don't have to do a Christmas theme. Today we're going to do flowers. I wanted one that I could give as a gift that they could use all year round. We're going to start by taking off the handle with this little screwdriver. This tumbler came from X Tools website, and the screwdriver comes with the tumbler, so that's super handy. We're just going to unscrew those screws and pull the handle off. Now we're going to take some pliers and we are going to bend those little handle tabs inward. I like to bend them as far as they can go. This keeps them out of the way of the laser. This measuring tape came with my X Tool laser, and we're going to just take it and we're going to measure from the top of the black right underneath the chrome to the base, and then we're just going to measure around the top portion of the tumbler. You're going to take these two measurements, and in the XCS program it will ask for the diameter and the length of your tumbler, and you're just going to type that in. I have already uploaded the file into XCS program, so I am just going to change the settings. We're going to do about 66 power and about 140 speed. Also, in your settings, you want to make sure you select Engrave. Set up your tumbler using the rotary attachment in your laser, and we're going to move the laser to the high point of the curve. We're going to go back to our computer, and where it says distance and there's a little ruler, we're going to hit that ruler button. That will make your laser kind of kiss that area and then set the distance. Now we are going to frame the area where our images will line up on our tumbler. So we're going to go to the bottom where it says framing. Make sure your laser crosshairs are right at the top of that black coating, and then we're going to push the button to frame our tumbler. Once your tumbler is all framed, you're going to go back to your XCS program and push start, close the lid on the laser, and push this button. I go into a lot more detail on a previous video I've made of these stainless steel tumblers. I will link that down in the description if you need a little bit more further assistance. These lasers tend to go pretty slow, so just keep an eye on your laser, but be patient. Once your laser is all finished, you can just push the module out of the way and remove your tumbler. These black tumblers engrave so much prettier than anything light in color like cream or white. This one was way easier to clean as well. When I did the white one, I really had to scrub, where I even had to have my husband help me because there was some residue. But this one just cleaned up so beautifully. I'm just using some dollar store Totally Awesome spray and a magic eraser. Here she is all cleaned up, beautiful and dry. So we're gonna go back to our pliers and just bend those tabs back straight up. Grab your handle and the two screws and screw your handle back on. If you have made it on the nice list this year, make sure you add an X tool laser to your Christmas list. These are such great money makers. They are fairly easy to use and the possibilities are endless. I will be showing you some other items that I've lasered in the near future, so stay tuned.